Well, welcome to Sebring Slot Cars. We've started our fourth race of the day with the NSR Moslers. We are into the first heat. We have Nelson Neto leading with 14, along with Victor Villachow, Ryan Yoder, Rick Eichhoff, all at 14, Jim Wood and Bill Porter at 13, and Steve Madison at 12. So we'll keep racing and see where we end up. All right, Nelson Neto, Victor Villachow, Rick are your leaders with 24 each. Rick Eichhoff, Jim Wood, Ryan Yoder, Bill Porter all with 23. Steve Madison got knocked off a couple times with 21. Fast lap goes to Victor Villachow with a 4.691. Oh, wait a minute, Jim Wood with a 4.676. Victor Villachow 4.691. Everybody else in the 4.7s. So let's continue on. Well, I messed up on black and came off a couple of times. Yellow flag. Go. I lost the car in my eyes. Let me see where Victor Villachow, I think, is your leader with 49. Jim Wood, second place, 49. Ryan Yoder, Nelson Neto, and Rick Eichhoff all with 48. Bill Porter, 47. Steve Madison, 46. Laps that segment, Wood with 26. Villachow, Yoder, and Eichhoff all with 25. Neto and Porter each with 24. Fast lap goes to Wood with a 4.625 on yellow. Villachow a 4.725 on black. Bill Porter a 4.775. Yoder a 4.779. Madison a 4.793 and Neto a 4.844 on red. I gave Madison a half a or quarter lap. Oh, track. Chance to drive a good car. Y'all can come down and watch. Well, that dropped me down.
Ready.
All right. Couldn't get any roll on the course. All right, Victor Villachow is your leader with 100 laps. Nelson Noto 99, Jim Wood 97 in third place. Bill Porter, Ryan Yoder 96, Steve Madison 95, Rick Eichhoff 94. Laps that segment, Villachow with 26, Neto and Porter with 25 each, Wood and Yoder, Madison and Eichhoff all with 24. Fast lap goes to Villachow with a 4650, Neto with a 4677, Wood 481, Yoder 4780, Wood 4813, Porter 4824, Madison 4822, and Eichhoff 4930. Where am I? There I am. You sure it ain't the one on red?
Yellow flag.
It feels like it's scraping.
Ready.
Oh, okay. That ain't me then.
Go. Yellow flag.
Dead?
I think I was on the scene.
Oh, okay. Okay, you can start it again.
Ready. Go.
I thought it seemed a little slow.
Halfway through the race. 1 minute left.
Yeah, I got on it too quick out of the donut.
Ready. Go. 20 seconds left. Double flag. 10 seconds left. 5 seconds left.
Well, you roll by me, Bill.
Heat over.
Chow 125 laps, Nelson Noto 124, Wood 122 coming off a red, Porter Ryan 120, Madison 119, and Eichhoff 118. Laps that segment. Villachow, Neto, and Wood all with 25. Porter, Yoder, Madison, and Eichhoff all 24. Fast lap goes to Victor Villachow with a 4.645, Nelson Neto with a 4.704, Yoder with a 4.747, Madison 4.762, Wood a 4.834, Porter a 4.847, and I didn't get the last one. Between the best of the pros.
I escaped. I don't know how I got out of that.
Yeah, I hit you hard. Yeah, I didn't see. I come run that corner fun.
No, just leave it. Here, let it go.
I didn't touch you. I didn't touch you. Might be.
Well, my Vertigo is messing with me.
Oh, orange.
Sorry. Can't pass him to the outside, buddy.
You want to bet?
No, I just did what you try to do.
I didn't realize that was you I was passing, to tell you the truth.
It was me.
You still got another.
I saw you coming. I try to pass Bill. Look at that roll. He was right next to me. Look where he ended up at.
Bill Chow is your sole leader, 150. Nelson Neto, 149. Wood, 147. Madison and Yoder tied at 144. Porter and Eichhoff tied at 143. Laps that segment. Villachow, Neto, Wood, Madison, all with 25. Yoder, Porter, and Yoder 24. Oh, Rick Eichhoff 25 there also. So we had 5 players at 25 and Porter at 23. Sorry about it. coming for you, Neto. Coming to return the favor.
Yellow flag.
Blue. That hurt me. Gave him a quarter lap or half lap. Hey, Joe. Neto is your new leader with 175 laps. Victor Villachow 174, Wood 172, Yoder 169, Madison and Porter 168, and Eichhoff 167. Laps that segment. Nelson Neto picked up 26, picked up a lap on the field. Wood and Yoder and Porter all with 25. Villachow, Madison, and Eichhoff all with 24. Fast lap goes to Nelson Neto with a 4.634. Yoder 4.7. Oh, Jim Wood had fast lap with 4.607. Neto 4.634. Yoder 4.743. Eichhoff 4.775. Villachow 4.795. Madison 4.806 and Porter 4.810. Here it is. I about lost it. Yeah, that was yeah. Well, I came into it too hot. I got my mic on. Under the bridge. Up. Race over. Good race, guys. All right. All right, Nelson Neto is your champion today.
I'm in fifth. Put that car down one side.
Excuse me. And the screen clear. Yep. Had to just take it and hope it's focused. All right, Nelson Neto wins with 200 laps even. Victor Villachow 199, Wood 197, third place. Yoder 193, Madison Porter tied at 192, and Eichhoff 191. Laps that segment. Neto, Villachow, Wood all with 25. Ryan Yoder, Steve Madison, Bill Porter, Rick Eichhoff all with 24. Fast lap goes to Jim Wood with a 4.590, Neto 4.632, Villachow 4.739, Yoder 4.734, 4.768 for Bill Porter, 4.845 for Eichhoff, and 4.888 for Madison.